In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make TikTok ads for dropshipping in 5 minutes. Jumping straight in, the world of digital marketing is vast, yet one platform stands out for its vibrant and engaging content: TikTok. Perfect for dropshippers looking to promote their products, TikTok ads can significantly boost your online presence. Let's walk through the process from start to finish. First step, we navigate to the TikTok ads homepage. This is where all our marketing efforts will commence. Simply type the URL into your web browser and you're there. Once you've arrived at the TikTok ads page, you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, now's the time to create one. It's a straightforward process. Entering your email and password is next. Make sure to input the details you used during the registration process. Accuracy is key here to ensure a smooth login. Next, you'll click on the login button once more to proceed. It's common to encounter a CAPTCHA verification at this point. It's a simple step to confirm you're not a robot and helps maintain the security of your account. Complete the CAPTCHA, then click confirm to move on. After logging in, there might be a security measure that sends a code to your email for verification. Check your inbox, type in the code as prompted and proceed. This extra layer of security keeps your account safe and sound. Now, we're getting to the exciting part, setting up your campaign. Direct your attention to the Campaigns tab. Here, you'll look for the Create option. Clicking this leads you to the beginning of the ad creation journey. Your advertising objective is your guiding star. What do you hope to achieve with this ad? Options vary from increasing website traffic to converting sales. Choose the objective that aligns with your current marketing goals. With goals clarified, it's time to set your budget for the ad. TikTok allows for flexible budgeting options, ensuring you can find a level that suits your financial comfort zone. Click Continue to proceed to the next phase, which involves naming your ad group. This is a way to organize your campaign, especially useful if you're running multiple ads. The heart of your ad's effectiveness is targeting the right audience. Under Audience Targeting, you'll specify who you want to see your ad. Consider factors like location, age, gender, interests, and more. Adjusting these settings fine-tunes who gets exposed to your campaign, significantly affecting its success. After you're done setting up your target audience, click on Continue to advance. Now it's time to give your ad an identity. Choose your TikTok account under Identity. This selection ties your ad to your profile, making it clear who's behind the campaign. Up next, add your dropship ad video or photo. Visual content is king on TikTok, so choose something catchy, informative, and representative of your offering. Further, add text, a title, and a description to your ad. This is your chance to communicate directly with your audience, so make every word count. Describe what you're offering and why it's worth their attention. Ready to go live? Click on Publish All to set your ad into the TikTok universe. Occasionally you might run into errors at this stage. Don't panic. Review the prompts, fix the issues, which are often minor, like formatting errors or missing information, and try publishing again. Lastly, setting up a payment method is crucial to push your ad live. TikTok will guide you through adding your preferred form of payment, ensuring your ad campaign can commence without a hitch. Here's a quick tip. Monitor your ad's performance closely once it's live. TikTok provides analytics that can offer invaluable insights into your ad's reach, engagement, and conversion rates. Use these metrics to tweak and improve future campaigns. This walkthrough is designed to make your foray into TikTok ads as smooth and successful as possible. Each step from logging in to pushing your ad live is an opportunity to refine your approach and ensure your dropshipping products get the spotlight they deserve. With that, you're fully equipped to start your TikTok advertising journey. Happy dropshipping, and may your ads reach the wide, engaging audience that TikTok offers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.